Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing important board questions on the topic cell division, cell cycle, right? Now here only the questions which are asked in the board in the repeated examination, that only I am discussing here. जो बोर्ड के द्वारा बार बार क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं को डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? As you see, name the following. Acts as bearer of hereditary units, chromosomes. Chromosomes, two animals which have 19 pairs of the chromosomes, lion, tiger, cat. A region of plant body where cell division occurs very actively, meristematic tissues, meristematic cells. Structure that initiates cell division in animal cell, it is the centrosome. Chromosomes appear thread-like, that is the chromatin reticulum. Type of cell division which occurs in the cells of the reproductive organs, it is the meiosis. The exchange of chromatid parts between the maternal and paternal chromatids of a pair of a homologous chromosomes during meiosis, it is zygotine, that crossing over at the zygoton stage of the prophase 1 of meiosis. Number of chromosomes present in the nerve cell of a human being, it is 46. Odd one out, phosphate RNA sugar nitrogenous base. Odd one out, RNA. Phosphate sugar nitrogen, they are all the parts of DNA. Centrosome, cell wall, cell membrane, large vacuole. Cell wall, it is odd, it is non-living, rest all are living, right? Okay. Now come here. Differentiate between cytokinesis and carrier. Cytokinesis is the division of the cell. Karyokinesis is the division of the nucleus, right? Okay. We go through only the board questions important which are asked over here. Okay. Now here you see given below is the diagram representing a stage of the mitotic cell division in an animal cell. How can you say animal cell? Centrosome cell. Identify the above stage, give a reason to support your answer. It is late prophase. Late prophase how? Disappearing nuclear membrane is seen over here. Nuclear membrane disappearing shown by the dotted line rounded structure. Name the cell organelle that forms the ester. The cell organelle that forms the ester, that is the centriole present in centrosome. Name the parts level 1 to 3. 1, this is centromere. 2, chromatid. 3, spindle fibers. Name the stage that follows this stage of meiosis, follows this stage of your late prophase, that is the middle prophase. How can this stage be identified? Chromosomes are intermingled with each other. Mention 2 points of difference between mitosis and meiosis. The number of daughter cells forms in meiosis, number of daughter cells forms are 4 in number. In mitosis, number of daughter cell forms are 2 in number. Chromosome number in daughter cells are half of the parent cell. In mitotic division, in daughter cells, number of chromosomes are same as that of the parent cell. Karyokinesis, cytokinesis, we have already discussed. Number of daughter cells formed, I told you already. Tonoplast and plasma. Tonoplast surrounding the vacuole, plasma membrane surrounding the cell. Gametes have a haploid number of chromosomes, so that number of chromosomes should be constant in a particular space. अगर haploid number नहीं होंगे तो अगर डबल होंगे 4 रखे तो 2 times हो जाएंगे number of chromosomes. Number of chromosomes remain constant in the organism. To maintain the number of chromosomes, gametes are haploid number of chromosomes. Choose the correct. Duplicated chromosomes are joined at a point termed centromere. Centromere से जो है वो chromosomes joined रहते हैं. Which of the following in the logical sequence: interphase, anaphase, prophase, telophase, metaphase? Sequential. It starts from the interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Same way here. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Karyokinesis, cytokinesis. As first is your G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, karyokinesis, cytokinesis. I hope you are able to get it. Draw a diagram of the nucleus showing chromosome number 6 as it appears in the metaphase stage of the meiosis during started. You have already seen. Now here, mitosis is the type of cell division occurring in the cells of the injured part of the body. False. Chromosomes other than pair of sex chromosomes are no. They are called autosomes. Lysosome is a part of the cell in which chromosomes are present. False. Not lysosomes. It is the nucleus. Chromatin fibers is a part of the cell in the nucleus. Nucleus is a part of the cell in which chromosomes are present, not lysosome. Centromere is the organelle of the cell that initiates cell division. Yes, it is true. Specifying exact location of centrosome. Centrosome is present. Centrosome is present in animal cell just above the nucleus. Now here given the diagram, no, this is not there. Now this given below is the diagram of a double helical structure of the DNA. Yes, it's a name the 4 nitrogen bases that forms the DNA molecule. 4 nitrogenous bases, they are adenine, guanine, here adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine. Give the full form of DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. Name the unit of heredity. The unit of heredity is genes. Mention 2 points of difference: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis takes place in vegetative cell and the number of chromosomes are same as parent cell. Meiosis takes place in the reproductive cell where chromosomes becomes half of the parent. Now here, where does this type of cell division occur? This type of cell division usually occurs in vegetative part of the cell. What is the unique feature observed? Is chromosomes are moving towards the opposite. No, sorry, this one. Give the full form DNA. Yeah, ये आपका हो चुका है. ये नहीं. अब ये given diagram stage during matrix cell division. Identify the above stage. Give reason. It is late prophase. How nuclear membrane starts seeing disappearing here. Name the parts label 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Astral rays. 2. Chromatid. 3. Centromere. And 4th, spindle fibers. What is the function of part 3? The daughter chromatids are attached to the centromere. Name the state that comes just after this stage shown in the diagram, after late metaphase, where all the chromosomes lie at the center. Now, where the diagram of the metaphase you are seeing to be drawn. See, this is the diagram of the metaphase where the chromosomes lies in the, see, this is metaphase, the diagram metaphase, astral rays, centriole dividing, these are spindle fibers, it is the metaphase plate, this is centromere, and they are the chromatids, right? What is the name? Those are smarts here. Okay. Now here, see this diagram. The diagram below represents a stage during cell division. Study the same and answer the. Name the parts label 1, 2, 3. It is the astral centriole in the astral rays. Identify 1, 2, 3 spindle fibers. 3, they are the chromatids. Above stage and give the reason to support a late anaphase. Chromosomes are moving towards the opposite pole. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs. This type of the cell division, it is the mitosis, occurs in the vegetative part of the body. Name the stage prior to this stage, late anaphase, that is the early anaphase stage. Early anaphase stage where the chromosomes are most towards the pole. As you can see it over here. See, this is the late anaphase, here the pole. And here you can see they are moving more towards the side of the pole. Having 4 chromosomes, metaphase stage, show anaphase stage of mitosis in a plant cell. Having 4 chromosomes, that is the anaphase stage in the plant cell, having 4 chromosomes moving towards the adipose. Anaphase stage, now you can see the diagram here. Anaphase stage, 4 chromosomes, anaphase, 4 chromosomes moving towards the opposite pole, the 2 sister chromatids. This is the anaphase stage, right? Draw a well rewrite the terms in the correct situation, the same metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Now here again stage of it during cell division. Is it a plant cell or animal cell? Give a reason. It is a plant cell because centrioles are not, it is a, identify the stage shown, it is late prophase. Name the stage that follows early prophase, the middle prophase stage. How the stage identified? There's the nuclear membrane is seen disappearing. How will trace the mitosis meiosis on the base of the chromosome? We have to draw duplicated chromosome as in the labeled diagram of the duplicated. See duplicated chromosome diagram, you can see it here. This is a duplicated chromosome. Centromere, chromatids, they are the chromatids, centromere, and it is the chromosome exchanging parts. Duplicated chromosomes label the part. Now here you see, choose the correct answer. The cell component visible only during the cell division, it is chromosome. After mitotic division, female human cell, it will have this one, 44 plus XX chromosome. Chromosomes get aligned at the center of the cell during metaphase. Center में जो chromosomes होते हैं वो metaphase stage होती है. Synthesis phase in the cell cycle is also called because synthesis of more DNA takes place. In a human male, a sperm will contain either X or Y chromosome. Here you see the diagram, it is shown to 15. Identify the stage of the cell division, anaphase. Name the parts label A and B. A, spindle fibers, B, centriole. What is the unique feature observed in this? Chromosomes are moving towards the opposite pole. How many daughter cells are formed from this type of the? 2 daughter cells are formed in after this stage. The given diagram shows a loss during mitotic division in the anuja. Identify the stage, it is the late prophase. This is the late prophase. Neat label diagram cell as it appear in the next stage after late prophase, then it comes the metaphase stage. In the metaphase stage, you can see this diagram, metaphase stage. All chromosomes lying towards the center. In what way a mitotic division animals are different mitosis? You know already. Name the type of cell division that occurs growth in the shoot, mitosis, formation of pollen grains, meiosis. Cytoplasm, cytokinosis, nucleus, karyokinosis, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. Here, identify the stage. Given suitable diagram, it is a telophase. Name the parts number early telophase. 1 and 2. 1 is nuclear membrane, 2 is nucleolus. Technical term for the division of the nucleus, karyokinesis. Mention the last stage that comes before, it is the late anaphase. Neat label diagram stage mentioned late anaphase. You can see this diagram over here. Which is the cell division results in half number of chromosomes in daughter cell? It is the meiosis. Nitrogen bonds are present between the complementary nitrogens? No. Hydrogen bonds are present in between the complementary nitrogens. The diagram below represents the stage during the study. The answer to the question. Now see. Identify whether it's a plant cell or an animal cell. It is an plant cell because cell wall is present. Centrioles are not observed. Name the stage depicted in the diagram. The stage dependent, it is the metaphase. Name the type of cell division occurs. It is the mitosis, reparation of old leaves by new ones, mitosis, formation of gametes, meiosis. What is the stage that comes before the stage in the metaphase? Prophase. Prophase, then comes the metaphase. Draw a neat label diagram stage mentioned in the 4 above, keeping the chromosomes number. Neat label diagram stage mentioned in 4. That is the prophase. In the diagram of the prophase, number of chromosomes, you just here. The prophase, you can see it here, this diagram. This is metaphase, this is the prophase. Sister chromatids, they all appear and the sister chromatid. This one. This is the sister chromatid diagram. Given appropriate biological technical term, the complex of DNA states and a core of histone nucleosome. It is known as nucleosome. Given below diagram presenting a state during mitosis, study the answer. Identify the stage by giving a suitable reason. It is late anaphase. Is it a plant or an animal cell? It is animal because centriole is observed here. Draw neat label diagram stage which follows the one to the late anaphase. Late anaphase के पहले आता है metaphase. In metaphase, they are all assembled in the center. Late anaphase. This is your late anaphase. Before late anaphase, early anaphase. This is the early anaphase. You can see it over here. ये लेट एनाफेस है, ये अर्ली एनाफेस है. इसमें दूर है, इसमें क्रोमोसोम्स पास होंगे. दे आर सेपरेटेड and they get started separation. Each chromosome splits into daughter chromosomes and starts separating, means moving towards the opposite pole. How many chromosomes will each daughter cell have after the completion? Number of chromosomes 4. Name the 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video with the important questions of heredity. Thank you.